Let's go. Come on.
You gotta give us some water break too.
I gotta go get some water.
No water.
Wagwan. Listen, y'all, we are back with another video, but this time something different. Today, we are doing the Blazin Hot Challenge. Buffalo Wild Wings wings. We're using my cousins today, all right? Whitney is out of commission today, so we're gonna use my cousins. They all think that they got the balls to win $1,000. We gonna see.
Look at my cousin out the hood.
All right, listen. All right, so they can't drink nothing.
6 months. I need it. I'm eating it.
They have to eat all the bones, all right? So these are my cousins. My little sister's gonna be the judge, all right? So let's get to it, y'all. All right, where's that gonna go?
You know my cousin, the cop, he got money. Come on, bro. Shit hard out here.
Bring the camera here.
I'm trying to pay my motherfucking rent. Hey, I don't do dope. I do dope.
My cousin copy got funny shit hard.
I ain't gotta get to nobody.
Get back, you go fuck up.
Hey, this the fiend of the family.
This my uncle.
That's how they're gonna do it, y'all.
Hey, that's my uncle when they had
One wing at a time. Money is the
Come
judge.
on.
Make sure y'all
Give me a
eat the
thigh.
whole wing to go on to the next round. So the first one is one wing, all right? Everybody grab one.
I want to see the bone clean.
Everybody grab one.
How you right now, cuz?
Not yet. Pookie finna win. All right, go ahead, eat it. Go.
You ain't doing it?
Ready?
Round one.
Come on, P. We got a buck on it.
I'll try one.
What you waiting
I'll
on?
try one.
No. My man.
Don't be scared.
I'm through.
Baby, you gotta move.
Y'all.
You gotta move.
No, I'm through. I already ate mine.
Grab one.
Shit.
Grab one and see how they is.
On my fault.
Hey, get little homie one.
Money will check y'all bones and she'll let you go to the next round.
Oh, we could go look on the ground for mine. I threw it for Theo dog.
When you're done, look your tongue out. Not that bad.
You gotta suck it clean. You know about sucking on bones.
You know about sucking my balls.
That baby gonna die.
Bro, cause you making me mad. I'm just go
Please don't.
know who I'm gonna kill.
All right, keep your bone on the table. Once you're done,
On the table, bitch, you got some shit on the plate.
You gotta take your tongue out.
Hold on.
He meant on the
On
plate.
the plate is fine, boo.
Who on their second or their third one?
Two wings.
All right,
Who
y'all
on their
ready?
second or their third one?
Y'all ready? Yeah. Everybody good? Tongues out. Let me see. Good.
Ain't two.
All right, good. Money.
He say give him
Everybody bone look good?
two. Pookie say give him two.
Everybody bone look good? All right, everybody grab two. Round two. Let's get it.
Pookie say give him two. You gotta take two up. This round you gotta take two.
You have to be mindful of you and the camera.
Where you get them from?
Buffalo Wild Wings.
I don't eat my chicken.
I ain't in this competition. Can I have one?
Hold on, Michael. Get a second. Let us finish our video. Move.
I want one.
Give us
I'm
a
in the
second.
video. I'm the motherfucking star.
Move.
I just want one. How everybody gonna eat and I don't eat?
Don't do drugs. If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help.
I'm finna when I get mad. And I ain't mad.
Yeah, spook tearing them motherfuckers up. They walk that down.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm just Granny just watching. I'm just being in the audience, baby. Granny, go back, stand right here. Granny just being in the audience. I'm just observing. She over there.
How y'all feeling? Anybody giving up yet?
Hey, David.
Oh, you dead.
Is the
He
video
don't
shot?
eat all his chicken.
Michael,
Get back, bro.
Chicken.
get back.
You in the camera too. You keep blocking Pookie.
Hey, man, they hurt you hot.
If you gonna do that, you should get behind me because you blocking the camera.
How y'all feeling?
He finna fall out.
Y'all good?
Challenge that man.
Everybody good.
You good? You busting a little sweat there. You good?
Let's go. Come on.
You gotta give us some water break too. I gotta go
No
get
water
some
break. No water.
Water breaking challenges.
Water gonna make this shit work.
Yeah, you'll get that water break.
Water gonna make that work. I need to go get some ice.
Uh-oh.
I'm in there.
Uh-oh.
It ain't even half gone.
Uh-oh. It ain't even half gone.
It's tripping. Eat it. Eat it.
Y'all good?
How many of you that ate poop? Poop winning.
Everybody good?
Poop winning. But this right here. Hey, this is thirsty ass on that band.
Your thirsty ass from behind.
You get that band, I'm taking 8.
All right, round 3 tongues. Let's see what you got.
He get that band.
Terrell.
I'm gonna hit him in the shit.
Terrell.
Good. All right, everybody grab
Jessie.
3.
Damn.
Round 3, man. Yeah, wrong lead. You better think of the days you couldn't eat.
Yeah, that's the day I'm thinking
Yeah,
about.
when you had no link card,
But you ain't had shit to eat.
you ain't had no bridge card, your motherfucking ass was hungry, you would eat it. But
God damn it.
Pookie over there, he quiet, he silent, but he got him fucked up. This nigga got me. My man got it. He know how to get it.
It's gonna get split in 4 ways probably.
No, this nigga got me.
My man on the end struggling up.
That motherfucker better get that.
Don't even chew it. Hey, man, don't even chew it. Don't even chew it. Just swallow it, man. Swallow it.
Don't you get that bit?
Man. It's burning you any damn way.
Just
However
do
it go
what you
down.
doing so you can get our money.
Man.
Biting on your outer
Man.
He's struggling, boy. He's struggling.
Hey, man.
Give up.
Hey, it's going down however burning.
Oh, money, but
Man,
you
peel
better
that
give
shit
up.
off and just swallow it, man. Don't even chew it.
But not quit over here. I didn't raise money on you.
All right, somebody.
You to be a good racer.
He gonna
Get out of here.
How y'all feeling? Y'all thirsty yet?
hot as hell, y'all.
Who
Y'all need some milk?
Drink
Who
free.
thirsty?
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I need it!
If you take a drink break, you lose. How you feeling? You good? Man, come
That
on,
milk
man.
is
Y'all
the
ain't
only
got but a
thing that's
couple
gonna satisfy that fire. That water
down there.
that
Shit
stomach
make it work.
down.
Hey, where he at?
He's struggling. Hey man, don't touch your eyes, man. Don't touch your face. Don't touch your face, man. Touch your face.
Turn around to the camera. Don't be over there. Turn around to the camera. Yeah, turn around to the
You all right? You good? Hold on, don't go yet.
Ain't no more knockers.
Y'all good? Ready for the next round?
No. I mean, my bad.
You good?
No.
Hold on.
That pop ain't gonna do shit.
Who thirsty? Who thirsty? Who thirsty? How about this? Whoever? Hey.
No, I want to see what they doing.
I give y'all. Hold on. Listen.
You motherfuckers want
Michael, hold up. Listen.
Y'all come wake me up.
I know y'all
I
thirsty.
need $1,000.
I know y'all thirsty. So whoever, just drink the pop and go ahead and just leave right now. You get $5 right now.
I'm finna drink the pop. I'm finna drink the pop. Give me the pop. I came for the big dog.
All right, everybody ready? Come on, boo. They waiting on you. Let's get it.
No, I ain't gonna start. Fuck.
You done? All right, boo out.
Man down.
Boo out.
Man down.
All right. And then there were 3. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready for the next one? Money.
Pookie finna get that band.
They bones look good?
I'm gonna get 800.
Everybody bones look good? Cool. All righty.
He's still eating. He eats. But they gotta do that.
The camera right.
You gotta have a time limit too. Think about it, Jessie. You gotta have a time.
All right, y'all ready? Everybody ready? It's on. Good.
Give me a break. Put me in.
Cookie, song.
Blazin.
Good. Waiting on you now. Good. All right, now.
Oh, that shit.
No, it's the same thing.
4. Everybody grab 4.
This is a whole
There's 3 in there.
Oh, man.
Round 4.
Mike jumped in on
Mike just hit. Oh, she's trying to get on her.
Mike jumped in on that.
Y'all even got help eating them.
I need that band. My rent, I ain't paid rent in about 8 months.
Give Mike 5 pieces.
Just walk away.
Shut
Hold on.
Now you gotta eat what?
The competition is right here. Come on, you got this. Come on.
What?
Yeah, hurry up. So we can go to the store, man, with that money.
My whole lip numb.
Hey, only the man will stay. Same job for everybody. Who did it? Boo, you dropped meat on your
No, that's fine. You gotta eat now.
Pookie ain't gonna lose. I can count on Pookie. That's my dog.
Hey. Smash. All right, let's get it. You need some milk.
I got some
Oh. Step back, buddy.
Hey, just
get it.
Got something. We're gonna drop first.
Come on, man. I need half, man.
We're gonna drop first.
I need half.
Oh.
Oh no. Come on, Pookie.
There you go. How you feeling, my man? You got quiet. You was loud all game. Round 4 game.
I'm gonna drop first.
But I'm a beast.
Alright, go cap.
Come on, you got it. Come on. You got it.
Come on, man. It's food.
Come on, Pookie. Yeah, he
You over there cheating on you. Cheating what, bro? Ain't no more now.
I got a gallon of milk in the crib.
Can't fuck with it though.
Anybody needs some? I got a gallon of milk.
Carrots.
Give me one.
Nope, no carrots.
That's tough.
Straight chicken.
this motherfucker.
You got some wedges.
Hey, man, you good, bro? You got it.
Man won.
Yeah, I'm
He
out.
gonna get it, man.
Ah, he's out.
You would've got it, dude.
You gave up? Both of y'all gave up?
Alright, Book. Alright,
Hey, boy.
You giving up?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, man.
Go, everybody.
Who gave up?
Cookie our winner.
You going for the...
Look at him.
Come on
Look
now.
at him. All right. Cool.
One more than that.
Everybody show our champions some love, y'all. Show our champions, there you go. Spicy wing, man. Okay, cool. That's what I'm talking about.
Y'all got the hottest wings ever, Buffalo Wild Wings.
Moral of the story,
right.
I told Dog to quit. He did. He thought I was going to split the money with him.
Listen, I thought I could do the hot wings.
Oh,
I was wrong. Yo, I'm straight, bro. I can't feel my face.
He tricked me. He told me he'd split the money down the middle with me. And I said I quit. And I quit it.
I quit.
You feel me?
You can follow me on Instagram at Flawed by Default. You can follow me on Facebook.
Follow
too.
me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Octavian, you know me. The neighborhood trash man.
you got Instagram? Don't add your Instagram.
Special ad, LD Jeff for me, underscore. LD Jeff for me, underscore David, that's
So y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let us know if y'all want more videos like this one. This is fun. We got to do something with the family. And yeah, so that's it. Love you guys. Stay smooth, stay blessed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You have a good luck the rest of the year, all right? Until next time.
Y'all follow me on IG at the.da.real.armani, ARMANI. Yeah, what you say?
So you had one? How you like it?
Man, that stuff high. I wouldn't do it. I would have been gave up. Sorry.
Yeah. I could have won, but I got girl.